In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We will create this project in Imperial Units. These units are predefined in template. If your project is in metric system, then click on File icon. Then on New button and here select New Project. Now click on Browse and now click on Up1 Level button. Now click on US Imperial folder and open default template from the list. This way we can open architectural template in Imperial system. Now let's start with the creation of a new wall family. Go to Architectural ribbon and click on the Wall button. Here in the Properties panel of walls, we have a basic generic wall. Now click on Edit Type. We will see the properties of the basic generic wall. Now click on Duplicate and write the name of your desired wall type. We will write 9-inch thick. Brick wall. When we press the OK button, we will see the properties of our 9-inch thick brick wall family. Click on Edit next to the structure. Now change the thickness of the structure to 9 inches. Now we will select the material. Click on these 3 dots. And from the material browser, select Brick Common as our material. We can see the foreground pattern of bricks. We can make changes here. Let's change the cut pattern of our wall family. Click on the pattern and choose your desired pattern. If we want to see how our wall family looks, we will click on Preview. Here, click on Elevation View to see our wall along with patterns. Now click on OK. Now our 9-inch thick brick wall family is created. We will use this family in our next video to create a room. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.